Guys, welcome back to Sharpening. Today, we're working with the Civivi Mini Praxis D2 blade steel G10 olive drab green scales, deep carry pocket clip. Used this bad boy yesterday at work. Absolutely dull. Grab me a sticky note here. I mean, that's just pretty bad. But today, got a little something different for us. Not using. Alright, guys, we're back. Civivi Mini Praxis versus sticky note. Let's see who wins it. Oh, I gotta quit doing it so daggum fast. If you guys really see it. Not bad, y'all, especially for like what, maybe 20 minutes with this thing. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's been fun.